This is a quick demonstration of how Clootrack can be utilized to gain insights from online data. We've collected data specifically on Coca-Cola Freestyle and Pepsi Spire machines. The data, primarily reviews, have been gathered from diverse sources such as Reddit, Facebook, YouTube, Quora, AA Roads, and Twitter, among others. After collecting this data, Clootrack analyzes it to identify the various themes people are discussing. The unique feature of Clootrack is its ability to automatically identify all the themes people are talking about without any predefined topics or keywords. This means you don't need to set anything in advance, as Clootrack uses an unsupervised pattern algorithm to detect these themes. You'll find that customers discuss a variety of topics such as beverage quality, taste and flavor, product quality, maintenance and upkeep, product availability, cost and pricing, and dietary options. Essentially, anything that customers talk about can be tracked continuously. Now let me guide you on how to interpret this data. Let's compare the brands. We have Coca-Cola Freestyle and Pepsi Spire. It appears that Pepsi Spire has a lower number of reviews. Naturally, the number of installations for Pepsi Spire is quite low. The most discussed theme is beverage quality, followed by taste and flavor, product quality, maintenance and upkeep, and so on. When we look at beverage quality as the top theme, the figure 33.42 indicates that 33.42% of people discussing beverage quality for Coca-Cola Freestyle express positivity. This gives you a sense of how customers feel about the beverage quality. However, this percentage alone doesn't provide a complete picture as to why it stands at 33%. Should it be higher? Better? To find out more, you can delve deeper into the data. You'll notice that flavor quality has a lower positivity compared to syrup quality and overall beverage quality. You can dive into specifics, focusing on actionable insights. For instance, when assessing flavor quality, people mention issues like poor taste, flavor mixture problems, and negative flavor experiences. Here, you can gather specific feedback from customers about their experiences. You can pinpoint very specific concerns such as syrup concentration. The platform also provides verbatim comments and insights into the customer journey, helping you understand why people may be dissatisfied. We started from the broader themes and narrowed it down to identify specific issues that customers are experiencing. This process allows you to pinpoint the key issues with your product immediately. Now, you might wonder why this is significant. Let me show you another interesting insight derived from the data. The top 5 themes include beverage quality, taste and flavor, and product quality. Let me select these themes, starting with beverage quality. Then there's something around taste. Taste and flavor, followed by maintenance and upkeep. I'll focus on these 3 themes. Looking at the data, even over an extended time frame, the volume related to beverage quality discussions has increased. However, the positivity trend concerning beverage quality has significantly declined, highlighting a critical area that needs attention. This dashboard offers a high-level overview of the situation. For deeper insights, you can ask specific questions like, how can Coca-Cola Freestyle improve beverage quality? The analysis will sift through both structured and unstructured data to provide targeted feedback. The system will then propose a plan by analyzing the dataset to extract insights related to beverage quality, incorporating common themes, sentiment scores, and user feedback. If you disagree with the plan, you can request alterations. The process involves filtering the data to isolate instances where the focus is on beverage quality. It then selects unique values from various columns like review opinion and post title. That's essentially what's happening. The platform also explains the structured analysis it performs. It suggests adjustments in beverage composition based on negative sentiment and feedback. Key areas for improvement include flavor consistency, cross-contamination, aftertaste issues, syrup concentration, and customer feedback. For each identified issue, such as cross-contamination, you can view exact customer comments regarding cleaning and syrup degradation, enabling you to address specific concerns. From the broader themes to specific issues, you've seen how this process works. For any custom insights like identifying the most mentioned flavors or drinks in reviews, you can explore further. We analyzed which drinks are most frequently mentioned, discovering that Diet Coke is at the top, followed by Coke Cherry, Box Root Beer, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, and Surge. This reveals the flavors people prefer, allowing you to design or extract insights tailored to your needs. The insights are backed by a detailed AI analysis flow. You don't need to set up anything yourself to obtain these insights. We use our AI algorithms, capable of detecting themes and sentiments autonomously, supplemented by additional LLM-driven insights. For instance, we explored specific flavors customers desire, guided by a detailed prompt. This quick overview of our Coca-Cola Freestyle analysis shows that the same process can be applied to any product, including competitive analysis or internal data. Thank you very much.